Okay, FM 101.7.
Anye mame mrai na afei yenko anim na yeni enkomo kakra. Sami Jemfi, we communication officer e de ma NDC amanyuko no. Mini asami mi moche.
Aminu ya mejoso.
Na bakoriye.
Onyankopon adom bibia boko yinse na wotwe senne na onyankopon akasa. Ama Ghana for akasa. Ama ya system ama kada hyehyɛ proye abɛnya etie konya so yi a ɛyɛ busua mambu krono kankan ne de keka ho ne yɛtu oma de so ma John Dramani Mahama aba betua enyuma pa nti bibia bɔkɔ yɛ wogidie mapa sɛ ensesa na mkwambu a ɛba aka ɛnanso mpɛ
Na ayi Shadrach Meshach Abednego ebre de omo kwakotu oja tadan no a Nebukadnezar aye no oka asem bi wose na yenim se ye Nyankopon a yesom no begye ye firi jata ne oja ne nsem na mpokura se amasa yen som wahoni no nibisa se mu wogidie se abai ebetimi akwa amamo na amasa nso a eno so te sei
Kwame ebeba
amen.
I mean, so clear, and system beba. Yeah, NDC, NDC, and 392, ya jina batwa, ya reni bibi, ya luzu ibiso. Na, enutino, say, bontwa, na, reform, na, yenimse, enyema nkuya, na, enyema edi, ayihu. Say, form so ye, na, enyema be. And I can tell you as a brother, say, because Aba yaba betulo 7 December no. Unyame dinkunim dieno ama John Mahama vidada. Yaka ne se ebebu nyame mpaye ni enya nkwa tenten ama ejoda 7 December abeto ye. Eyi na yakoto yaba. Na yebe fi ye ni abo abadan ho ban. Eno ani hia. Life and vigilance. Na nkunimdie ne de unyame ayewi nti it's not like amamua de na mo be no. John Dramani Mahama has won this election already. It is already written in the stars. It is already recorded in heaven. I can say it manifested on earth. Okay.
Yo, mame mra mo de krata bia babonten na de mo kan nyina ne se mu nyame boam na mo bedi aban a mo de ade bi beba ebe kwa ma won ya area tertiary institutions universities awodo no ne ade no na ye frɛ no fa ne nyina ye de be no
Yo Kwame me da se am se ene de enije kese pa enije sem kese pa na Yura John Mahama ne NDC amanyoko de aba beto abonti amagana fo nyina Kwame be kai a nansia ye pa ye People's Manifesto hontuma no ye de nhyehyeye bi a ya to din chemu pe etuga na za chemu pe na ye de tuga ewo ye People's Manifesto ni mo no de akire nyina ne se onyame ye mmoa na ye betena akonya so bi mu a NDC ne John Mahama ban a ebeba no akodega na akodadia okọ tertiary institution meche university polytechnic and technical university colleges of education and teacher training colleges nursing training colleges any tertiary institution e wo Ghana no Ghana ni akoda bia wukobi so first year second year third year fourth year fifth year sixth year sa chimpen share ya de share manifesto no mu a ya bo hu de wura be mbre kakani no de akanyina na se John Mahama ne NDC aban e be fa school fees e wo se wutua no e fa e 50% na o maame so afa e fa e 50% na je se chimpen no e 50-50 aban fa suaponfo adesuafoɔ a ɛwɔ mu no nyinaa at all levels woyɛ Ghana ni banko a school fees no wobɛtua fa na aban so atua fa nti sɛ school fees yɛ 20 million a wobɛtua 1,000 na aban atua 1,000 na hyehyɛ wei ɛna yɛde abɛto abɔnte abɛyɛ mmerɛ kakra ni yɛabɔ ho dewura na yɛde manifesto ne bɛwie yɛ no the education policy group of the party no ɛyɛ nhwehwɛmu adwen hyehyɛ foforɔ ho de bɛto party mpanyinfoɔ anim sɛ wohwɛ sɛ January yɛba bɛbie school na COVID-19 ti nipa bebree adwuma asɛe na sikasɛm wayɛ de ama abatan ne awofoɔ bebree a kyempɛ no ɛdi sɛ yɛyɛ na mmom yɛntumi ɛnyɛ kyempɛ ɛma nkora no nyinaa because akora afei na wanya admission a ɔkɔ university anaa college of education nursing training anaa polytechnic no ɔno na kwame afei na ne maame ɛkɔ akɔhan ɛdan ama no afei na ne maame ɛkɔ akɔtua na admission fee afei na wofoɔ ɛkɔ akɔtotɔ ne ho nneɛma a wɔde kɔ school nti saa first year ni akora no ɔno ne ho ka ɛdɔɔso kyɛn deɛ ɔno no yɛ continuing students deɛ ɔno no wɔ 200 level 300 400 ne deɛ keka ho because we are continuing student a yɛbi school a wonhyɛ da ntotɔ nneɛma foforɔ bebree bi asa ɔbɛda akora no a afei na yɛama no admission no ɔkɔtua admission fee ansa na watotɔ ne ho nneɛma nyinaa foforɔ na wasan so akɔhan dan nti ɔno no ho ka no dɔɔso nti kɛbɛyɛ a yɛnyɛ kyimpe no ɛma continuing students na yɛmfa nhyehyɛeɛ a yɛato de mfa ne nyinaa ɛma first year students afo a ɔmo de afei na ɔmo ba bɛwura school mu fresh a ɔmo ho ka ɛdɔɔso na wɔbɛyɛ na wɔtwe mmienu mmiɛnsa ni mpanyinfoɔ adwen ho a ɛnura ɛna mpanyinfoɔ si agyina yɛ sɛ deɛ education policy group na bɛka no ɛtɔ aso mu a sɛ yɛtumi yɛ ma ɔmanfoɔ a ɛbɛboa paa Yura John Dramani Mahama a directed Samuel Ofuswampo because Yura John Mahama Nigan any in kind to say the national chairman na quickly put together this release and pay the ababont and say indeed the good news for all Ghanaian parents our mama every SHS now say no mobile call nursing training teacher training university and a polytechnic so mpo akra no uwie ya che na mu afei na wo ba be court sharing institution sa fani nyina nhyehyɛ ɔka ho bi untua school fees kapreba school fees anka betua ama wo ba no university polytechnic now technical university nursing training teacher training ni nyina no jo mahama ne na ndc aban se yɛ ɔmommoa na onyame adom yɛto aba ne mo no mo ba ɔmo be faka ni nyina school fees ni nyina be free ama wo ba no untua hwe
na ai mame mu so sami ma
se wo ba no e wo 200 level 300 400 you continue students or no so benya chimpe let us say the school fees no 20 million obetua 1,000 na obatan na wo force etua 1,000 good news aba ya senda wo say yebo hu dewru na Ghana fo nyina te no eno no fa ni nyina
na me ba wei ebeka woda na se ebeye ebra ho kyerem abai
nhyehyɛ fa ne nyinaa nhyehyɛ ne chimpe nhyehyɛ no for next academic year 2020-2021 academic year ɛne ya hyehyɛ no but on say John Mahama ɔmampani a ɔwɔ tema ɛna on say abrabɔ so no enyema nyina faako nyema sesa wiase nyina faako nyema sesa de bia enti sɛ kɔba sɛ ya betena konwa so first year ya fa ne nyinaa the entire year for Nina is because of COVID-19. I be a much about our force. First year, ya chimpe I'm a continuing students because of COVID-19. I be a much about our force. Now by the second year, you say COVID-19 and watch reno in young free ho. A be cry be before be boom. I'm a dear watch about the Fanina policy and the chimpe policy will be continued beyond the first year. So, but after first year no na nyema return to normalcy pandemic bia fufu bia ma COVID-19 ahoche dia be etimi aso ano a ene de na akoye first year so main cancer su bia say be for just first year baby depend the economic situation in the country by the end of 2021. And on John Dramani Mahama and Aben penny for Yampo na ye decide say yen twaso and answer o nyema ye this is the yin free. But say ye be school ama fe si afo school January there se unyame adom na Ghana for ye yamwa na ye John Dramani Mahama and ye omanpanyi a oba tan a oba Eco University Training College Nursing Training Institution Polytechnic and tertiary institution biano school fees no free untuahwe say obano university polytechnic nursing training and teacher training dada na okwa akoto aso akọ level 200 level 300 400 anade keka ho ono so jo ma so o ma uchempe school fees no obetua fa na wo so wetua fa we ni nhihye pa yewa jo ma ama odwen Ghana for ho no ni se samle o man for wa ho kire ni ahun yehia mu o de ba so de ba be so Ghana for asene na boaye ama ye wa henhan na ye mofrey etinya ku school akusua de no mo so aba be yempanyi pa e de aboa o man Ghana mpuntu eni o mabusua nkanko
better say no pay minua
me does na kwame na make us over bisa me about no demonstration no and no demonstration here in Krum kwame na esun ye pa there's a me cry me see me who demonstration be say that we senior and no Ghana for babontin ebetin te sukoko echro mampenye kufuado say enough is enough kono na ye ya be GSika or he was shika bibia di adanse say people are not happy with President Kufuado kata se sene proyama mwa ekosono and come 7 December they will make a change. And enyema mienu see in just 1 minute. Mame moso no more monte no omate. The first the first one a video expose Kevin Taylor the Barbonten supported by audit committee reports. Say Ghana toa yituano. Ye digi sikani kugu Ghana commercial bank no. Emu 52 billion worth 5.2 trillion Ghana for taxes I added. Yeah, the Ghana Commercial Bank 5.2 trillion OCDs and this came 52 billion CDs. The Paboniphobia could be IRA or the tasse you which require. Chronocasi we see that also mean no and video Barbontia or Mampinia Kufuado Ankasa edge bribe or Gia de Mudia.
Sammy
Daduchi. Sam Kisika here on the office.
Sammy,
no video number about
Sammy.
Yeah, come.
Dear, maybe baby, my baby. Sa video. But dear, Matthew Susan say a old video. Sabre no the then candidate no. Now 1 year and make a contribution. Say one from more party no. At Beboa party. Now some munya manyoku munya uncle for contributions. Mamo towards more campaign.
What can you mean? But what about a old video? A campaign donation.
Yeah.
The patrol crime has no expiring date. And the expiry date. So it is a old video. Your uncle will be below my way armed robbery. About 10 years ago, I stole a mother one tell list so a police for your show.
I'm a patrol. Okay, I
would be bonnet na and then a one dance yabani achua. And the casa made a bribe on 4 years ago, Gino, and yes, she. We need to pursue our way.
Maybe another question.
We be just a basic jejia we expect. No wonder Martin Amidu is saying that Omampinye Kufuado a chrono kata se sene proyemu primary.
Na mamu so. Sorry.
Na mamin below it campaign donation there.
There the second question.
The patrol the anyway we video ni mu exercise sikano a campaign donation.
That dey na chese e bribe.
Was it?
Na dey so na chese e bribe.
Mama sa utie tape ni mu ya. Omo ba wo so wo be pay fever. So Omampinye Kufuado mwa omo mekeka omo ha oni omo problems bi na nyema mu nyema omo nti obeji Kenya 40,000 na resi no Omampinye Kufuado peja na sasa wo so sika ni mu na omo twen sika ni ko ekiri na papa yi eso de fi na konya so eji sika twi e fa na pen ne paper just we ni bribe je ase ono de oje bribe crowd na papa ne paper chiro what just bribe went to say you can't what me jay ache
eti me ba cho in the third video no one more share the purpose for which the man was given.
Me pacho all I saw in the video meaning say the same video when I was there sama me fo mienu ne papa ba ko ati omo nchen a omo say omo hia bibi na nyema mu nyema omo nto mapenye kufuado eni kanyi we na omo san so aba be hu ni bi e no omo kukuru sika envelope ma e no mapenye kufuado je na wo na 2016 contractor bi be charge o mahama Ford gift a jo mahama e de ma o man no o de che Ghana a ne Dr. Bawumia Saka no e can convoy on the foot of cars no no MPP for can say akwa ne de car ne ba say jo mama vanye campaign na campaign support onumpo aye de ma wo man Ghana no de no mo kan o man ka say bribe wako jisika ente say o man penye o je bribe no wonder Martina Midu si untimi no nya adwuma biem no and Martina Midu say we the mother serpent of
ayi down
ayi
de mimi na me pesa ke twa ginja so ne say wakoye mranimu ni ade no me fa ne se obi mu na mo campaign ya obi hia Sami Jamfi na video bi ba na Sami Jamfi ye discare maw na was Sami wadama we de so we mu na se de okura kan ni mu nye mesa ma ba bi mu a enu no
de na chese video na campaign video enya campaign time bia o we ni ba ye Ghana man penyi wie no mo discare no koma no. That's what I'm telling you. Video na we de ni
enu akwaje opon ma se ye hwe mu yi
na mo de opon kroma no the djuma ne se yetua ne ka se onitro
dem ba jo
what do you expect kwaje opon kroma to do what is boss
ye
watching on video say o je dem mu de bribe wa nka de na obeka all the work the video dependent the boss. I don't blame you. Ghana for you ni hwe kra no dokune to ahye you say aben masa this is the first time you Ghana man pinia or je bribe and we anya ni guase Kennedy Japan sorry anu di amount for them so mu cheap is President Akufo-Addo not cheap is President Akufo-Addo
me ayi Sami Mr. Let us be decorous. Would him say ye amanyo sema ye nyina wi a yempanimfo so onye president
so ye na maka enye decorous no
wo see not cheap me pa madam
ba je de Japan sorry a
me pa cho Mr. me pa cho we Mr.
o prefer o je manu si bone
Debi wadawuruma Debi
no me ka se obi e cheap a
Mr. me pa cho
cheap hold on me say Kennedy Japan sorry a je no kan ye about your mama
Udie
cheap your mama
Udie
and I mean bisa say kwami hold on what bisa say and I mean bisa say o man penye Akufo-Addo a ono de ye huru on tape na ono a Jessica be mu die se 400 million e de no is it not
the reason why me no go on that tangent ni say wo ye mranimu ni wonim say seeing somebody collecting something on tape no enye conclusive and what that woman say the words
law ben na wuku to say law yes
me ba jo mo ka
offenses act the criminal another offense
me ba jo me ba act 29 na would you me ba ye law no ye nsua bi but point ya me making say mo na ya mo ka say ade bia say even po say ba court na ye admissible as a what tender as evidence e hono ma no nye say ampa ya tender as evidence no kura no e no kura so waje give the court no adjudicate on the matter before it's pronounced say ane waje e na ya demudi na nya demudi mo na mo kirekire mra no
kwawe am Roberts no mukukun mfansema MP no ya chewo
ya nchewo
ya di omako court court akase omuniku
Debi
enti because of that enti no munye ewudifo because ye nyanchi omo for mun court here na
me ba to omo ye ewudifo na ye hwan no mu
enti enti wuti mi ka fe yɛmfa obi a wadi bɔne nkɔ court nti onni bɔne
Sammy pampacho mbamba Sammy pampacho mbamba mami mo ade mona obi kum obi a mo de ne kɔ magistrate court mo mra mu no for committal proceedings ansana me
court asem
na de okay ya dia
ade okay FM is there what than in high court and now court of appeal
hey go Sammy
you to go here the court FM there and my man starting for my lord now I crack now the yanka court wa asem why you can say kwame obi di boni wie ansana ya chinimpo e de na court ama court di na sem it is obi di boni no ni ntimi nche na eno nkyerɛ sɛ woni bɔne no wadi kyɛni ntimi nkyerɛ no obi kɔ atimi di bɔne ne akyɛ no yɛde ne kɔkɔɔta yɛnya adanseɛ na wafa ne ho adi anaa na wakɔ akɔtua bribe na wafa ne ho adi ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ woni bɔne nokorɛ nko ɛna mmara nko and as lawyers we are trained to understand that nti ɛnka sɛ obi abɔkorɔ no yɛhu sɛ ɔmampanyɛ Kufuor ɔgye bribe ba yɛmfa ne nkɔ court nti ɛnyɛ bribe na ɔmampanyɛ Kufuor wobɛtumi de no akɔ court wobɛtumi mfa ne nkɔ court because constitution they say as a man paying unti van and cocos. And if I read the annual command penny be anywhere which you are corrupt. Because a man penny be anywhere which you did not court to say with disca. But MPP for Omotia Kunya, so they be other normal stage or mamma you corrupt. Some are no more castle or mamma you corrupt. Not court to be your mamma, some of the castle or mamma you corrupt. So where from this?
Sammy, run up, Mammy, why? No, I don't know.
Say, see Gaducci. See with the way Thomas a crowd because me win inside ya boom to crew. Na man fa men san shen enfia ye de we no war ho a ni ya we dey silly Gaducci o man penye Kufuor do je bribe wa wu video ni bia ko jebe obi obeka cho say ye campaign donation bia o mo boa na wa re ni abawie ye the presidential office no mo kutia za bribe no. And what I am saying is say the Ghana woman penye or the bribe is to see. Nothing that man being able to see the bribe, which is a wadiache. No longer, no wonder. Question answer down for the chicken which Obeka say, or then I negative bribe, or no man being able to put the or so no question answer to go to. No wonder, say Martin, I mean to say, President Kufuor is the head of a corruption mafia and the mother serpent of corruption. It's a catastrophe for you. Camry, or mammy, I walk at a penny for you. Look, and Yema Echo to Ghana, linear airtime. Between Japan, 240 billion now, the man, the cousins, Nimiano, no Yama Ghana, PDM, 1 billion now, or movie and the electricity bills, or Mumu Wakuntel. So we are saying that enough is enough. Yen to a Banoma or Mahama. Now, almost stop us at the Yama Munik at a penny for you. Now, on for funny answers, say, yeah, you do come and Fambra all first year students in tertiary institutions and benefit will be in school fees next year. Wawuku University, Technical University, Polytechnic, and then nursing training, College of Education will be fees. While we continue students in any of these institutions, so no, Chimpeba, fees will be only 50%. Na Abain Swafa 50%.
Medas
we are talking about.
Medas Yanopay.
Medas million.
Say, yes, Sammy Gemfini and not drink on
Okay, FM 101.7.